So we are soaking our rice for our pilaf. We're pre-soaking it in hot water, and it's actually steaming hot. So you rinse your rice, and you want to make sure the water is clear. That's when you know it is ready, and it's been rinsed. And now we're adding butter to the orzo with the oil. Dem is adding the rice to the orzo and the oil mixture. Notice the small amount of butter that's being used. It's important to use more, like Shidem says, or teacher says, you need to use more butter for pilaf. It gives a really great flavor. See, the orzo gets golden brown, nice and toasty. More butter is being added to the rice. So now we're on our second stick of butter. The reason for adding so much butter to the rice pilaf is not just flavor, but you want the rice, the kernels of rice, to be individual and not stick together. So you really want to coat it well, and that's the reason for using so much butter. We are sauteing the rice for quite a long time with the butter, because if you look closely, you can see there is some water. So we want to continue sauteing the rice to remove all of the water. And the water is from previously rinsing the rice. Is adding some boiling water to the rice. So when you're making this rice, it's 1 cup rice to 1.5 cups of water. Our salt.
1 tablespoon.
And it's 1 tablespoon of salt. And what's very important is the ratio of rice to water. 1 cup, and this is for short grain rice. 1 cup of rice to 1.5 cups of water. Em is adding a little bit of lemon juice to the rice because it keeps it nice and white. When the rice is finished, put a paper towel or a dish towel on top of it and then cover it, and this will absorb all of the excess moisture. It's a little pilaf, ready to serve and eat.